Ladies and gentlemen, in November 2018, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik had announced that all 17 blocks of Sundargarh district would be equipped with synthetic turf. I'm delighted to announce that the initiative of creating 17 synthetic turf in Sundargarh, which was undertaken by the government, will also include construction of a gym, changing room, hall and seating for 250 people. It also gives me great joy in announcing that the Kalinga Hockey Stadium will be developed into a hockey high performance center. I would request our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik and other dignitaries to lay down the foundation stone on the side stage for both the construction of 17 synthetic turf in Sundargarh and the new 11-story Hockey High Performance Center which will be built here at the Kalinga Sports Complex. Can we have a huge round of applause, please? Chief Minister, for laying down the foundation stone for such excellent initiative across the state. We request you to make your way to the stage, sir. And we also have an AV showcasing the Hockey High Performance Center and the training centers in Sundargarh. Let's take a look at that AV. For laying down the foundation stone for such excellent initiative across the state. I would once again like to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Naveen Patnaik and all esteemed dignitaries on dais. And without further ado, I would like to start off today's ceremony with inviting the Honorable Sports Minister of Odisha, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera, delivering the welcome address. May I please request Honorable Sports Minister to come to the podium and deliver the welcome address. Can we have a huge round of applause for him?
Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Sri Narinder Batra, President FIH, Sri Dilip Tirki, Chairman Hockey Promotion Council, Sri Asit Tripathi, Chief Secretary Government of Odisha, Sri Suresh Chandra Mahapatra, Development Commissioner cum ACS, Sri Vishal Kumar Dev, Commissioner cum Secretary, Department of Sports and Youth Services, Government of Odisha, Sri Mohammad Mustaq Ahmad, President Hockey India, esteemed dignitaries, distinguished guests, officials, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. It is a big day for hockey in Odisha. As we commemorate 1 year of Men's Hockey World Cup 2018, I extend a very warm welcome to one and all to this momentous occasion. The magnum opus event sealed a spot for Odisha on the global map, and we are forever grateful to each and every organization that worked towards its success. Today is a special occasion for all of us. While we remember the great memories from the event 1 year ago, we also look forward to taking initiatives to develop hockey in the state and bring back the glory of hockey and place India as a dominating player in the field of hockey. The inspiration for all our hockey events and projects is our beloved Chief Minister. I take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to you, sir. The state is ever grateful to you for the blessings and support that you extended to the development of sports and Youth Services. I welcome Dr. Narinder Batra, President FIH, for this event. Indian hockey achieved great heights under his dynamic leadership, and now as the IOA President. His vision and drive to make India a big sporting nation is unparalleled, and we are happy to have a warm working relation with you, and we intend to organize more sports events. I welcome Dilip Tirki, Chairman of Hockey Promotion Council of Odisha. He has been an inspiration for all the budding hockey players from the state, and he will continue to lead the hockey development in the state. I also welcome the senior officials of the state government, Chief Secretary Asit Tripathi, Development Commissioner Suresh Mahapatra. Both are sports persons and continuously support and encourage all the sports activities in the state. I welcome the President Hockey India, Mohammad Mushtaq Ahmad, and his colleagues, senior officials from the department and the government, friends from the media, and all the students who have come today to witness another history in the making. Thank you all for being here and being a part of our journey as we scale new heights. Thank you all again.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and for addressing the gathering. It's now time to showcase a very special tournament which mesmerized everyone around the world. The Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup Bhubaneswar 2018 was one of the most talked about World Cups in the history of the sport. Hockey India and Government of Odisha produced a fantastic tournament for everyone to see. And the 2018 World Cup was regarded as the best organized World Cup ever. However, one thing that is still fresh in our memory is the World Cup anthem. It was an anthem that brought the whole hockey world together, and I'm happy to present it to you all over again. Ladies and gentlemen, I would request all of you to take a look at the giant screen. Gulzar Sahab and sung and composed by the legendary A.R. Rahman. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as we did. It's now time to present to all of you a very special documentary which was created during last year's Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup Bhubaneswar. I would like to request Honorable Chief Minister, sir, other dignitaries and all the guests to take a look at the large screen. Can we have the AV, please?
About 2 years ago, we were invited to participate in the Hockey World Tournament. I took this up with great enthusiasm.
जो बच्चे पैदा होते हैं खास करके हमारे वेस्टर्न उड़ीसा में दे हैव ए इनबिल्ट इनर क्वालिटी उनका होता है, तो वो पैदाइश ही उनमें हॉकी ब्लड में उनका होता है।
हॉकी वर्ल्ड कप जब अलॉट हुआ था हमें, दैट वाज 2013, उड़ीसा में हमें बड़ा सिंक्रोनाइज सा एटमॉस्फेयर मिला, जिसकी वजह से वी डिसाइडेड ऑन उड़ीसा।
The biggest challenge was getting the infrastructure completed in time.
देखिए, भुवनेश्वर को हॉकी की कैपिटल कहने लग रहे हैं। भुवनेश्वर के लिए इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकता है? वो तो हमारे लिए गौरव की बात है।
The magnitude of the preparations for this World Cup is much more than whatever has happened so far in any other World Cups for hockey.
ये हमारी स्पोर्ट है, ये हमारी हॉकी है। यहाँ उड़ीसा में इस देश को सबसे अच्छे, सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग, सबसे टैलेंटेड स्पोर्ट्समैन देने का मौका मिला है।
ये पहला स्टेट है जिसने नेशनल टीम, हॉकी टीम को स्पॉन्सर किया है।
So government has been working for last 10 years to develop Bhubaneswar, and today is the result what you see. I would say World Cup is like kind of a grand finale to all the celebrations which have been going on.
उड़ीसा से ही हमारा पूरा देश सीखेगा कि हाँ, एक स्पोर्ट्स का कल्चर, एक स्पोर्ट्स का इवेंट कैसे करा सकते हैं।
उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट स्पोर्ट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा आगे लेकर आ रही है। उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा कि उनका इतना बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑल स्पोर्ट्स के लिए वो बहुत बड़ी बात है।
I think it's the most well-equipped hockey stadium for viewers and for the hockey players and for officials.
Well, what a spectacular documentary showcasing the tremendous tournament that was the Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup Bhubaneswar 2018. It was amazing to see how the whole tournament has been showcased in this short documentary. Moving on, I would now like to announce that the government of Odisha has also a book from the Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup Bhubaneswar 2018. The book has been titled Heritage Creates History and vividly showcases the entire journey of the 2018 World Cup through various pictures taken by our photographers during the 19-day-long tournament. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister and all other dignitaries for launching the coffee table book. Proceeding with the ceremony, I would now like to request Dr. Narinder Dhruv Batra, President of the International Hockey Federation, to address this gathering.
Good evening, Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, distinguished guests on the dais, members from press and media, hockey family and friends from Odisha, and I also take this opportunity to welcome my senior men hockey team, which is also having its camp in Odisha and are participating in this event. Welcome to the function. On behalf of FIH, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude to Government of Odisha and Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik in particular, for their great and continued support for hockey over the years. I'm delighted to be present here tonight as Honorable Chief Minister and the state of Odisha again lead from the front with the announcement of some wonderful initiatives for sport, which I'm sure will grow the sport further in India and give many aspiring players a new pathway forward. The initiative of laying of new turfs in Odisha, the region which has proved several international stars, including the son of the soil, Dilip Tirki. I'm confident this initiative by Odisha state government will help create many more stars in the region. We are further delighted that the request from Hockey India to Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha to support hockey by creating High Performance Center in Bhubaneswar, it really swells my heart with gratitude that Odisha government, under the leadership of Shri Naveen Patnaik, has tonight announced the laying of the foundation stone for the state-of-the-art High Performance Center in Kalinga Stadium. I think this is one thing which is going to be the first in India, because we don't have a High Performance Center as of now in India. So thank you, Odisha. Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. Over the years, hockey fraternity has witnessed some of the world's greatest events in Bhubaneswar. The state's contribution to the growth of our sport, hockey, cannot be underestimated. And for me, it is always a pleasure to come to the sports capital. I repeat, sports capital of India, and which without any doubt is Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It's always a pleasure for me to be here. The FIH Men's World Cup Bhubaneswar 2018 was one such event a year ago. On this day, we were 24 hours away from the opening match of 2018 World Cup. An event which will remain memorable for all participants. The spectacular manner in which the event was conducted in this magnificent venue raised the profile of the sport and also drew appreciation from global hockey audience, from fans to teams, from officials to media representatives. Everyone enjoyed the great experience. उड़ीसा में आके अगर मैं 2 लाइन उड़िया में ना बोलूं तो मुझे लगता है मेरी विजिट इनकम्प्लीट है, क्योंकि अब भुवनेश्वर या उड़ीसा मुझे मेरा दूसरा घर दिखता है. तो मैं उड़ीसा में कोशिश करूंगा. मैं एक पंजाबी हूं, थोड़ा पंजाबी टच ज़रूर होगा, तो उसके लिए मुझे माफ़ करिएगा प्लीज़. मु मान्यवर मुख्यमंत्री को पाखरे रुनी जो सपोर्ट से FIH एंड हॉकी इंडिया को दे छांती अमे आउ कौथी पाइनो. ओडिशावासी जोश ने आमाकू दे छांती मु तन को पाखरे भी रुनी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words, and in Odia as well. Well, it's now time to showcase the legacy that has been left behind by the Odisha Hockey Men's World Cup 2018. Through this upcoming video, we reflect on what a huge moment it was for India and for Bhubaneswar to be hosting a tournament of such a huge magnitude. It was a festival of beautiful world-class hockey in the cradle of sport. Can we please have the AV? I would like to request all our dignitaries and guests to look at the big screen now.
Belgium, the sixth nation to lift the trophy.
Well, what a wonderful way to summarize the beautiful spectacle which took place last year at the Kalinga Hockey Stadium. I now invite Mohammad Mushtaq Ahmed, President Hockey India, to present a memento to the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik. Thank you, Mohammad Mushtaq Ahmed. I also invite Dr. Narinder Dhruv Batra, President, International Hockey Federation, to present a memento to the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik. Thank you, Dr. Batra. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the biggest announcement of the evening. And to do the honors, I would like to invite Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik, to come up to the podium and make the announcement.
प्रिय भाई ओ भोनी माने आपन मानन को समस्तों को मोर नमस्कार। (2023) Men's Hockey World Cup उड़ीसा रे हबो। आपन माने खुशी तो मुझे भी बहुत खुशी। वर्ल्ड कप भुवनेश्वर एवं राउरकेला रे हबो। आपन माने खुशी तो मुझे भी बहुत खुशी। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, जुहार।
जय हिंद।